These simple techniques for installing and securing your garland will make your design look photo ready while ensuring it won't tip over and take out grandma or a toddler during your festivities. First, after you've decided where you will display your garland, clear the area of any dirt, debris, clutter, or sharp objects like home decor inside or sticks outside. A quick sweep or vacuum helps too. Get rid of as many things that could risk popping your balloons as possible, especially if you're setting up a few days in advance. For outdoor setups, shield your garland from wind and avoid extreme temperatures or direct sunlight. To secure your garland in place, we'll create an anchor point using the H method. Stretch an uninflated 260 balloon, and then you're gonna fold it in half and tie the ends together with a double knot. Then you're gonna secure this flat side to the wall with a strip of painter's tape. Hi, I'm back here. Now watch as I loop that secured 260 around a 12-inch balloon from this blue cluster so that it's taut and secure. You'll want to pick a balloon that's already naturally close to it, but be careful not to stretch this 260 further away, or it's either gonna pull on your clusters and distort the overall shape, or come off the wall over here. 1 or 2 attachment points might be all you need for smaller garlands or placements further away from your guests. Otherwise, in larger garlands or high traffic areas, use as many as you feel like until the whole thing is securely in place. For banister garlands, skip the painter's tape entirely and reach in there and tie the balloons in place with a 260 around the handrails. For outdoor setups, you can use water balloons. Just fill your balloon with water from a garden hose or tap and tie it off like normal. Then tie 2 balloons into a duplet and twist as many of them as you need into your base clusters near the ground to add weight and reduce the possibility of your balloons lifting off when the wind gets a hold of them. Now all that's left is to step back and assess the positioning. Does it feel balanced in your space? If it's lopsided with too many of the same color or size balloon in one section, just adjust your clusters as needed. If there's a big gap between clusters in any section, add another 260 or a rubber band to pull them closer. I love how easy it is to shift the placement of all of the balloons once it's assembled. They're surprisingly easy to manipulate. Just check after each adjustment to see if it did the trick. Then it's time to look at your work through your guest's eyes. Snap a photo of your balloons once they're anchored in their final spot so you can see the full progress by the end. Now, don't overthink this part or try to make it perfect, because remember, this is a free-flowing piece. So in the next lesson, we'll add the finishing touches, 5-inch balloons, to make your centerpiece shine. Let's finish up. It's time for the fun part. Tuck these bad boys into gaps, focusing on when your finished product looks perfect to the naked eye. What you're left with is this stretchy, versatile rope